Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Nokia G11. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, click on the search bar and enter the Google Classroom. Hit the search button again and click on this app, install. After that process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. From here, click on Get Started, choose the account for this Google Classroom or add another one. So I'm picking this one, click OK. Now if we want to join the classroom, we'll need to press on this plus button and then move to the Join Class. Enter your class code, which you should be provided with, and after the class code is entered, you can click on Join button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.